Hi. So this is a video showing how I repair my carpet when the cat's claws pull up loops. It was a new house when I moved in, and it came with this carpet, which is awful when you have a cat for this reason. Longer carpets I've had were impervious to the cat's attacks, but because I wasn't going to waste new carpet, I had to find a way to repair it and make it last as long as I could. Here he is doing what he does, ripping up the carpet. Luckily on this rug it's longer pile, and his clawing has never damaged it. What has helped with his clawing is this carpet mat I bought. I didn't buy it for him, but it seems to be the piece of carpet that takes his brunt of clawing now. So I'm happy to sacrifice that instead of my actual carpet. But even still, I think there are times he claws the carpet when I'm away, or at other times he stretches and flares out his claws, and then when he tries to walk off, he finds that his claw is stuck in the carpet, and he can pull out quite a few threads that way. So the battle never ends. What you're seeing here is the rest of my carpet throughout the house. Some places I've made repairs, and you can tell where they're ones that didn't come out very good, and in other spots you can't even notice at all. So I start with this fabric glue. You need to get the type that's thick and sticky. The watery base stuff just doesn't work well at all. Then I place a drop adequate to the size of the thread underneath the thread. And then I twist and push down the thread to make it blend in as best as I can. Sometimes you need to push it right into the glue, and other times you only need to push a part of it into the glue. Sometimes I've completely stuffed it up, getting my fingers stuck in the glue, then the carpet sticks to your fingers and you end up pulling it out, or the loop frays up and it doesn't look very good. But I think here I do quite a good job, and I don't think I'll be able to spot that repair at all now that I've made it. I think if you use tweezers or pliers or any other metal tool, it's going to come out better and you've got less chance of the glue sticking badly to your fingers. So sometimes it works perfectly, and other times it'll just suffice. I do the best I can. For the most part, I don't notice a repair unless I look for it. I wish I could make a video on how to stop a cat pulling up threads in the first place, but I've given up. And in fact, a lot of my DIY comes about from trying to cat-proof the house. In future, I will buy carpet that's not as affected by his clawing. At least he doesn't claw my couches. But when I fostered this kitty hat here, he went straight for my couch, and that'll be a future problem for me to have to solve. Well, hopefully this video can help some of you cat owners out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.